Welcome back my YouTube family, and welcome hopefully to my normal family that are watching this. It's been a little while since I did a vlog, it's been a little while since I uploaded onto my channel, and I'm sorry for that, but basically we've been travelling all over New Zealand and I've had zero time to actually do any editing or uploading. It's just been really full on travelling, and although you haven't seen many of those videos, I have them all on my hard drive, and I'm actually gonna kind of put those on the back burner a bit and actually just upload what I'm doing now. So at the moment we're in Lombok in a place called Senggigi, which is this really nice kind of resort area on the coast of Lombok, and it's got nice beaches and we're staying in a nice hotel just to kind of relax from that sort of backpacking full-on experience. And the good thing about this place is I'm able to, in the evenings, just kind of, or in the day even, because we're not really doing anything, I can just edit and take photos and videos and kind of upload them quicker because we have got no sort of travel plans as such. It's more just relaxing and enjoying and that kind of thing. So hopefully you guys see some cool videos that are on a kind of frequent basis here in Lombok, which would be cool. There's no kind of structure to my vlogs. I might do daily vlog, I might do weekly vlog, I might do a couple of days, I don't really know. I think this one will probably be just a couple of days to smash into one, something like that. And yeah, so really excited for that, guys. Today the plan is just kind of relax at the pool. We just had breakfast and I'm back now, and so we're going to relax at the pool today, and I'm going to capture some cool B-roll hopefully of the hotel and the place, see if I can get my drone out, although it's probably unlikely because, you know, it's kind of private property, but I might go and ask them if I can do that. And so yeah, just enjoy the B-roll, and I'll probably check in with you guys either this evening or tomorrow. Good evening, guys. So, a few days has passed since I last spoke to you. Basically, it's almost been a week now in Senggigi, and just been chilling by the pool, as you saw in the clips before. Bit of B-roll there, and basically now it's our second to last day, and we're about to head off for a meal at sunset. That's the plan anyway. It's been pretty crap sunsets before, but hopefully today it's not as cloudy, so hopefully we get a nice sunset. Gonna take some film, and the main reason we're going out tonight for the sunset is because it's Lisa and my anniversary, 2 years today. So we're gonna go out and splash some cash. Well, not really, but maybe a bit more than normal. And yeah, capture some film hopefully of the beach. I went out the other day and filmed with my drone. Wasn't the best. It wasn't the best of, I don't know, drone flying sessions or whatever. There's basically these huge satellite towers surrounding our area, and yeah, it kind of like interfered with the connection pretty bad, so I couldn't really see what I was doing. It's pretty crap. But they'll go somewhere in this vlog, so you may have seen them, you may not have seen them. And yeah, now we're gonna head off for dinner, guys, so we'll catch you then.